Hello everybody and welcome back to my new video, and today we are going to try this GGDrop. And as you can see, I have 100 euros balance, so if you want to help me and try this site for yourself, you can go to this here, type here my code Tony1, apply, and you can get 11% for your top up. For example, if you put 10 euros, you get 11 euros, and you get a free wheel from me, and when you spin it, it will free skin. You can get a free skin, a skin for deposit, discount on cases, a free case, a case for deposit, bonus to your balance, and bonus for deposit. And you guys have bonuses here, the card. Okay guys, let me do this first and then we come back. So as you guys can see, I put my name, my nickname in Steam, and my photo is this one. You will have link in description, or you can donate directly like I did. And let's choose this card. You win, I win 2 cents. Multiply by 2. You lose. So I lost. And in the next day or 24 hours, I will be able to hit it again. So let's try this wheel. Spin. Discount on cases. Okay, you see, if you use my code, you can win a skin. As you can see, spin it again. After 2 days, I can spin it again. Or you have a secret code. You use my code, you have an extra one. As you can see, on top of this one you have another one. You can use it with Visa, PayPal, and if you want to use your skins to pay with skins, you can use as well. This is the skins top up, and yeah, you select your skins. As you can see, you select all the skins and top up, and you get the money. As I said, you use my code Tony1, it will be the link in description, and you get 11%. And yeah, today we are going to try with 100 euros balance and try to open some cases and some case battles, but this is for later. For now, I try to open some cases. If you want me to try some other cases, you can recommend in the comments. If you have some cases that are very good, I can use them. So good game, easy noob. Let's try one time. Fate. Okay, 5 euros. And how much we paid for this? This is profit, and let's try for 5 times. Okay, okay, 21. We are we are in profits. Let's see. Sell all. Yes. So we have 3 euros down, and I have a case that I wanted to open. And is this one 5 times 12.55. Okay, we made our money and we made profit as well. As you can see, we are in profit. Let's try to open another 5 from this one. Okay, better luck next time. Let's try another time with 5 cases, and let's see. We have lost again. We lost again. Sell all, yes, nothing else, and okay. Let's try this case with not. Okay, one time. No, that's bad. Okay, let's try another time. And stop. Yes. I think we made profit. No. Okay, I can make profit from this one. Select these two. Operator. Price. Okay. We can put the price here, $15. We have $30 minus. Okay, we go about $20. Double or nothing. Let's try double. Okay, for this AP. Okay. Okay, let's go. Battles. Private. So for people, and we put you know where I'm going. How much did you know that cost? $12, 10 rounds, confirm. So we need to hit. No, he hit it. Oh, yes, we hit it. Let's go. We are in front of everybody, so he gave us in front. If you lose, we lose. But if we win big. No, oh my god. He doubled the money. Okay, but we still need to hit. We need to hit. Yes, the last one is need to hit like $5. Not him, but us. But okay. As you can see, 30. Let's create the same one again. But this time I want to use some other cases too. Okay. Okay, let's use this one. 5 cases from this one and 5 cases from Furia the Mongols. Confirm. So let's create and so let's go. Remember, I am this guy. This guy needs to hit like this, $2. We are still in profit again. Okay, we are in profit. We can deal with it. Okay. Oh no, this guy hit too much. Please hit, please. What the? This guy hit too. Now we need to hit. Let's go. Not bad, but could be better. We need to hit like €10 skin. Okay, we are getting there. €9, 596. Okay, we need to hit this time hard. This guy hits. Okay, we are the last one. Last 2 cases we need to hit. Let's go. Okay, he hit as well, but this time we need to hit $5. Let's go. And we lose. Okay, let's try another case. We have €44 and we do it. Okay. One v one. Okay, €8. Okay. Okay. Now we need to keep up. Not bad. Let's see this case. Okay, not bad. Very good. I think we will make our money back with this guy's money. Okay, you see now we hit, but now we will. Okay, we take that. Okay, we take the biggest one. I think we made the money back. We are in profit now. See? We won. Okay, let's go. €56, and you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna upgrade everything. Upgrade this one. 22 euros. We take this AK. Okay, let's see. Thank you very much. We won. And let's sell all €84. Let's go big or let's go home. As you can see, you get free cases when you use money. So I spent, I don't know how much. Okay, let's try this ones at the end. Or no, let's try to open these cases and then we go all in. Okay, I think it's $2. Okay, let's go back, store, let's try this one. Go, 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 no. Okay, and the last one. Let's see what you get if you spend 10 euros. If you spend 10 euros, you take this case for free. And you take €1 back. 24 cents. Okay, you made money, guys. Don't say that you lost money in this case. And let's go the expensive one. Which one is it? Can we spend 5 cases? Yes. Let's see this AK one for 5 cases. Let's use. Okay, and we make money. I think we made money. We made money. We got the money back. And now let's go another case opening and let's open this green case for 1 case. Battle 1, and we add again this bot because this bot is, we win every time with this bot. Against this bot we win. No matter what, we win. Let's go all in. And we won! Thank you very much for this game. Okay, as you can see, we won. Let's see, did we make our money back? We doubled our money. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to use my link in description and don't forget to subscribe.